Hey everybody. So had a little mishap this past week, and I tore the it's a bicep tendon. So there's two on the top, like at your shoulder, and which is better than the one at the elbow. But anyways, I tore one of the ones at the shoulder, or so they say. I haven't heard back from the ultrasound, but the doctor at the emergency room when I first went in said he could tell just by looking at it that I had torn one of the tendons, and it's probably going to be a few months healing up from that. So, anyways, so nothing else has really happened on the generator. Do have a bunch of footage from before I injured myself, so I'm gonna kind of put a bunch of stuff together for this week's video, and I I guess I'll just keep trying to find. I have lots of footage of other stuff that I've scrapped, so I'll just have to put stuff together. Um, I am putting the rest of the generator, like the 460 motor and the skid and everything, up for sale. Hopefully, I can sell it within a week as it sits. But if not, then I got a guy who might be interested in just buying the 460. He'll remove it from the skid. I said, give me a couple $100 or something. If it doesn't sell, I'd like to sell it for 1,000 as it's sitting there on the skid, but we'll see how it goes. Anyhow, this is enough of this. Once I get like updated on what's going on, then I'll know better. All right, see what I can do here.
You going? Oh, I better not put my leg in there, get jolted or something.
Okay, just give me a minute.
All right. Oh. Can you reach it? Oh. Okay. Well, should I do something with the throttle or?
No, I just gotta get up here and get something.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so we get the bolts are all out of the faceplate there and out of the bottom. It's separated, so we're gonna hook on the excavator and try and give it a tug. All right, so we got in here, but I don't know how this is gonna come out. Dan, maybe you can tell. This crown here is completely resined, but there are those packs, copper packs in there. So I don't know what do you think? Like, does this just go as a generator? Or?
See the copper cracks in there.
Yeah, like because I'm gonna have to cut all of this steel off just to get this one crown off. We can take this end, yeah, the back plate can come off. I can get the rotor out, which will bring this copper out, I guess. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know. You know better than I do. Well, I'm going to town. I'm taking that generator in. I had to go in. I got to go in and pick up a welder and stuff. And yeah, after having a look at that, I don't think it's worth it. They're gonna give me a motor price for the generator, and I figure it's got to be probably 500 pounds or something like that. I can like, given really hard pull, I can kind of tilt it up one end a little bit, but not much. So but I'm also weak, so who knows? Maybe it's only 100 pounds. But anyways, I know Dan's been trying to talk me into stripping it out, but I'm taking the e-waste Mike approach. Just get it out of here. Like the way I look at it, if it's 400 or 500 pounds, I'll get 80 or $100, and I don't have to mess with it. Like it's, I guess I never even took a video. Oh yeah, I did. I took a video to send to Dan. I'll just post that. That'll be in here. But the yeah, it just looked like more trouble than it was worth, and we've been working on trying to get that thing fired up, and it did fire, but it didn't stay running, so we got to check spark and stuff, see what it, what it is. But anyways, I've just too much other stuff going on, and I just decided that I'm taking it in and selling it. Not that anybody cares.
Well, this is Friday night. We decided to get up around midnight or so and went up to the airport to check out the, I don't know what you call it, solar storms or something like that. But anyways, lots of northern lights, and it was a really nice warm night. And yeah, we just kind of hung out at the airport and took it all in. Luckily we did, because now the smoke is so thick we can't even see the sky, so we wouldn't have been able to get too many shots. But I guess this kind of activity is going to be going on for the next few nights, and well, we were lucky to get up there when it was nice and clear and check this all out. Okay, you guys have a great week. Bye-bye.